Welcome to math. Let's go over our expectations before we get started. First, eyes forward. Sit tall on your bottoms and hands in your lap. We will be reviewing our team numbers this week, and I'm going to show you different strategies to count higher numbers. It's easy to subitize those smaller numbers, but it's not so easy to count higher numbers. So that's what we're going to be working on this week. We're going to start off just by rote counting. We're going to count first to 30, and we're just going to move our bodies and count. Are you ready? We're going to count by ones to 30. Let's stand up and march to 30. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Now let's count by 2s to 20. I'll say 2 and then you say 4. Okay, ready? 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good. Now let's count by 10s to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now we're going to count backwards. We're going to start at 10 this time, and then it's going to be harder and harder as we go along, bigger numbers. Let's start at 10 though. Let's pretend like we're swimming backwards. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 0. Good. Now let's count by 5s. This is a little song that I love to sing with 5s, and you'll learn it the more we do it. Ready? And it goes like this. Eat a slice of watermelon right off the vine. 5 seeds in every slice, even in mine. You got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Oh yeah. All right, good job. Now let's do our counting jar. I have a team number in here, and we're going to find out how many it is. Then you are going to take your journal and you are going to record that amount by drawing that amount and writing that on in your journal. All right, let me get here. I'm going to share my, let's see. All right, let me take it to the floor. Where you'll see this. Now, all right, here's your counting jar, and let's see how many are in there. One way you can count this team number is by dumping them out and putting them on a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One way you can do that is just to say 10, 11. All right? Another way you can count this is to do what I call touch and pull. it's hard to see that this is 11. So let me show you another way. You touch it and pull it over. Watch me. Here's the number 11, and you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You're touching and pulling them over so that you know you've already counted that number by touching it and pulling it over. Touch and pull. All right, so you've done a 10 frame. That's one strategy. You've touched and pulled. That's another strategy. Another one is lining them up. And when you line them up, you touch each one in that line. Watch me. And you tap each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I want you to practice those 3 strategies. All right? So now what I want you to do is I would like for you to count out 11 Unifix cubes, and I would like for you to illustrate those 11 Unifix cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. You can also write the numeral, and you can even write the word, 11. Okay. I'm going to go back. Let's go over them. Ready? Say 11, 11. 12. I like to call these tricky teens because you hear your mouth saying the higher number first, but the 1 always goes first because it's 1 set of 10s and a 2. 1 set of 10s and a 1. 1 set of 10s and a 3. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Now I'm going to mix them up and see if you can do them as I mix them up. And I'm going to show you another strategy, counting when things are on paper and you can't move them. All right, let's see. These are kind of mixed up. I'm going to okay. What's this one? 19. What's this one? 14. They're out of order. 16. 11. 12. 20. Many get confused between a 12 and a 20. A 20 is 2 sets of 10s and 0 ones. Say 20. And a 12 is 1 set of 10 and 2 ones. 12. 20 and 12. I like to show those two together because they often get confused. 13. 1 set of 10 and 3 ones. 17. 1 set of 10 and 7 ones. I also like to show my students this. This is a 15. It's one set of 10 and 5 ones. Here's a 16. One set of 10 and 6 ones. Okay. Now, here is the number 11, and I can't move these. So I'm going to show you how to use my eyes 2 different ways to count these. I can go top, left to right, like I'm reading. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's another way I can count. I can count top to bottom like this. I can visualize it that way. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. However you can group it. All right, now, for your slides, let me show you what those look like. I'm going to share my screen. All right, this is a fun one. It's called Turkey Tally Marks. All right, let me get here and go to asynchronous. I won't need to for that. You can count this many different ways. You can say 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, or you could count this as 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what you're going to do with these, I'll just do the first one for you. That's 14. So you drag over one set of 10 and 4 ones. And you do the rest of them by yourself. That is a 14. This is the amount. It represents this numeral 14. So I'm going to move it back. Make it disappear. Okay. Then you're going to do slide 16. This looks fun too. These are little turkey 10 frames. So let me go over here to my writing. And this whole 10 frame is full. So what do you think that means? If the 10 frame is full and there's a little turkey face in each one, that means there's 10. So what you're going to do is you're going to write 10 above it. Let's do one more. This turkey 10 frame is not full, only the top. And how many is that? You can subitize that without even counting. How many is that? That's right, there's only 3. Now I'm going to have you do the rest of them by yourself. So let me clear that off. Now let me go back. Stop sharing. Okay, boys and girls, have fun with your teams.